Are you looking at all the die cutting methods, wondering what's best for you? Stay tuned as we get you up to speed. When it comes to die cutting, you want a method that fulfills your needs and requirements in the manufacturing process, but making the right choice can be challenging. Today, we'll explore the three most popular types of die cutting: rotary, flatbed, and laser, and understand their advantages and limitations. But before we dive into the different types of die cutting, let's first understand what die cutting is and why it's so beneficial. At its core, die cutting involves using a tool called a die, typically made of metal, to cut materials such as paper, plastic, fabric, and adhesives into identical shapes and sizes. This process offers numerous advantages across various industries depending on the project's requirements. Now, let's take a closer look at the three main types of die cutting methods. In rotary die cutting, a cylindrical die with blades around its entire surface cuts shapes out of the material as it moves in a circular motion. This method allows for the rapid cutting of multiple identical shapes for material provided in a roll form. Flatbed die cutting. This method involves a hydraulic flatbed press that pushes down blades to cut the material into the desired shape. It's a simple and effective approach, suitable for cutting thick materials and sheeted forms. Laser die cutting. Instead of using steel blades, laser die cutting employs a high-speed laser to cut materials. It's a precise and repeatable process, ideal for cutting complex shapes with accuracy. Now that we understand the basic mechanics of each die cutting method, let's compare their pros and cons to determine which one excels in different areas. Rotary die takes the lead for speed, clean cuts, cutting thin materials like tapes and films. The cons of rotary die cutting are it's less precise, can't cut thick foams, and needs common maintenance. Flatbed die cutting is great for its ability to cut a wide array of materials, as well as its ability to do deep cuts, allowing for the cleanest cut possible. The cons with flatbed are it runs slower than the rotary, it requires common maintenance, and they are not the best for high volumes. Laser cutting takes first in high precision, great for quick prototypes, requiring little maintenance. The faults of laser cutting is that it leaves residue, it can only cut certain materials, and it runs slower. It's important to consider factors such as speed, precision, volume, clean cuts, user friendliness, material variation, maintenance requirements, and specific challenges associated with die cutting when making your decision. Die cutting plays a vital role in various industries, and selecting the right method is essential for successful manufacturing. Whether you choose flatbed, rotary, or laser die cutting, understanding their strengths and limitations will help you make an informed decision. To learn more about die cutting and flexible material converting, check out our Learning Center on our website or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.